Merry Christmas, everybody. Welcome back to Kelly's Creations. I'm just going to give you a glimpse of how I decorated this year for Christmas. And some of my favorite pieces, these two are one of them. These little popcorn Santa, Mrs. Claus, just bring me back in time, make me smile. And I think that's what Christmas decorations do. They bring back memories every time I decorate. When we're getting out the pieces, you know, it sparks conversations of who gave it to us or what was going on at that time, or just special memories. So there's my Grandma and Gramps stocking. Gotta put that out every year. This year we actually had 2 trees. I got a pencil tree last year, and then this year I got another tree. Both are from Big Lots. Both are flocked. The pencil tree is all my Hallmark ornaments that we've collected over 30 years worth. And each one is just kind of coincides with what was going on that year. And so many memories. The second tree is all country, all my country ornaments. So here's my Hallmark tree. Like I said, my mother was giving me Hallmark ornaments probably every year, and she would be perfect about picking them out because she always picked out what was going on in our life at that time or what we were into. So it was amazing. And then on our fireplace, that is my childhood stocking. Recently, my mom gave us all our childhood stockings, and she had those handmade when we were little. That's what all of our stockings look like. I could not wait to put that out this year. I absolutely love my stocking. And then just all my favorites here. Our fireplace, yes, has a lot going on. And I wouldn't keep any of it away. So these Santas are a collection that we would always go to a Christmas bazaar every year after Thanksgiving. And a lady at the Christmas bazaar would make these. She would thrift shop or garage sale and find these items and paint Santas on them. So I have quite a collection. And my snow globes, those clay ornaments, I absolutely think are adorable. And yeah, these are all my favorites. That wooden Santa came from Hobby Lobby. The garland is new this year. I actually got that from Lowe's. My stocking holders are from Target a couple of years ago. I love those. And that Santa is, I think, from CVS. I fell in love with it at my sister's house, and then last year she surprised me with getting me one. Love that Santa. These Santa and the Snowman actually were from CVS as well. I don't know. CVS sometimes has some really pretty Christmas decor. And the tree, I think, is from Target. And that little ceramic tree is something that brings back memories. It's not the original, but we always had those ceramic trees growing up. And here's an overview of both trees and the fireplace. I always wanted 2 trees because I always wanted a tree in each window. And I was fortunate enough this year to find that second tree. They were 2 different trees, which I love because the country one, this one, is a pine tree. And I love the base on it. It was so affordable. Like I said, both of these came from Big Lots. And I've always talked about how I wanted to do just a country rustic tree. So that wooden garland came from Target. I thought that was perfect on this. And I was surprised how many country ornaments I actually had. That kind of shocked me because I didn't think I had this many. Some of these I made this year, like the sock ornaments. And look at those little boots. Yeah. I've always wanted to do a rustic country tree, so this was my year to do that. We're gonna kind of go around the room. After I'm done showing you the tree, I have a table I decorated, and then I have a kind of a table behind our sectional that my husband made and decorated that as well. So let's listen to some Christmas music and I'll scan the room. coming into my kitchen, I bought 2 of those garlands. That's the same garland that's on my fireplace. And I just thought I love lighted garland. I never have had it. So I thought that really gave it a warm, cozy ambiance in the kitchen. And then I decorated the shelf that my husband made over the French doors. And not as much going on in the kitchen as in the family room because we're mostly in the family room. So, of course, you know, the majority of the Christmas decor is in there where we can enjoy it. One thing I did different this year is I actually set the table. I never do this, but me and my friend were at Hobby Lobby and I fell in love with those deer plates. So everything was on clearance already, 60% off. I snagged those plates. I got the little trees and the placemats, which each placemat says something different. I think it's Jolly, Merry. So cute. They're stamped on the placemat. And the buffalo check is placemats from Dollar Tree, which I just folded and put the plates on top of those. And then I decorated my cubbies on this piece of furniture that I had remade a while back. Got all my little favorite kitchen decor items and decorated the cubbies. I decorated my coffee station and put my tiered shelf by my sink. This Jingle All the Way is actually at Dollar Tree and I absolutely love it. It's in the $5 section. Now these moose, y'all like National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation? Big Lots had like a whole bunch of things from that movie, and those moose cups are what they drink their eggnog out of, so I had to grab those this year. And then, like I said, just not as much in here as, of course, in my family room, but, you know, just little special Christmas. I guess the items I thought would fit better in the kitchen, of course, are in the kitchen. So, like my mugs and the lollipops and that kind of, the plates, you know. My little marshmallow cups. This sign I've had forever. It's just super funny. And I always put that out every year. So, yeah. I love Christmas. I can't believe Christmas is Sunday. Oh my goodness. Time goes by too fast, I tell ya. Seems like we're just celebrating Halloween. Those are not Christmas, but my best friend knows how much I love vintage, and those are vintage McDonald's glasses. Do y'all remember those? I have them out. I was so excited. And then I just have some towels hanging from my doors. Here's a little recap of a few of the decorations, and I hope everybody is ready for Christmas, can sit back, relax, enjoy this week, spend time with your loved ones, create new memories. And I appreciate y'all so much. It's been such a great year for my channel. I've met so many friends, and I can't wait to meet more next year. I hope you guys all have a blessed and wonderful Christmas. I love y'all so much. Merry Christmas, everybody.